Hey, this is Brian with redband.com, and this is the 1080p, and I just wanted to do more of a video of showing me on the screen, because most of the time you're probably going to be filming yourself, because it's a Bloggie camera. Skin tones is great. You can tell I'm very pale and white. So yeah, let's just zoom around and just focus on some video with not much movement, just so you can get an idea of the quality. I have this on a monopod, which is a tripod that looks like a stick, just one leg. The LCD screen flips, so it's great to use to film yourself. So you can throw this on your Facebooks and your MySpaces, whatever. Full review is coming. Just gotta do some more videos, test this out. So far I love it.